Hello, future programmers or the current developers. I am coming up with a new video after so long. So, sorry for that. But today, I am making a video on a very interesting topic, that is stock. Nowadays, everybody is crazy about trading. So in this video I have just made a program. What this program does, it helps you, when you will run this program, you will get to know, you just need to enter the stock name and it will suggest you whether you should buy or sell or hold that stock. So this basically, we can say, this program is about for suggesting people for the action, what action should they should take for the stocks. It is for stock markets, so all the trading people uh, can watch this video and they can help with this program. So let's just run this program first. So we have run it. Okay, so you can see that it is asking us for a stock name. Let's suppose we have to write a stock symbol. Okay, APL, and press enter. Yeah, so it says we should buy this stock. Okay, so now let's check another stock. Let's run it. And let's suppose I have written Google. Yeah, it says buy. Okay, now let's run it again. And suppose I have written a search and enter. It says we should sell this stock. Okay, so this is how you can say that this program is helping us for giving us, suggesting us the action, what action should we take for the stock we have or we want to buy. Okay, so in this program I'm using alpha vantage API key. It has some limited requests which we can use, and if we wanted to use like further or for a lifetime, so we need to register the API key and use it. Okay, so you have to install the request library also. Okay, so what this program is basically doing, it uses the alpha vantage API to fetch the current price and open price of a stock, and then it is comparing these prices to determine whether to suggest buying, selling, or holding the stock. It's just I am just comparing the prices, and then here we are just comparing the prices and suggesting the actions. The accuracy of the suggestion depending on this API on this alpha vantage API key only. Before using this program, you have to install the request library using pip install request. Then you're good to go. I hope you find this program helpful, and I think trading people gets excited also to use it. So you can use it. You can try your own stock prices symbols over here and try it. What action you get? What action this program suggests? This AI bot. Thank you for watching.